weird that I'm wearing my nightgown? It's breakfast, so bacon is my favorite food. When I was a kid, I remember weekend morning hearing my dad make bacon, stand over the skillet and cuss while it would like pop on his arms. He started to wear long sleeve shirts and an apron, but still, inevitably, I would hear my dad, and then I'd go sit down there and watch fishing shows with him while he made bacon and cinnamon rolls. Oven is preheated. It would be so cool to be a magician. I'm gonna set this aside. Just put that on the ground. Okay. Okay, now we're going to put the bacon on the baking sheet. This is like the biggest bacon. Pieces are giant. What's that thing called that like you sit cookies on to cool? Cooling rack. While you're waiting, it's a really good time to drink your tea or coffee. Which is what I'm gonna do. Time to check, flip the bacon. I don't wanna get grease on my nightgown. Need to use an oven mitt, sugar. Bacon grease getting everywhere. Common sense is not my strength, kids.